So in this video we are going to make a 3D multiplayer game because my previous videos don't getting views. But here's the problem, I don't know how to make a multiplayer game. After searching courses online, I finally find a course on Udemy which is probably gonna free. So after purchasing the course, now it's time to start making game. The first thing we need in our game is a player, and for player I am using a capsule or a beam. And if you ask me why I'm using this, because hey, it's easy to use and it's looking cool. Yeah, so I'm using this. So after some coding, now our player can now move, run and jump also. And after that I download a rifle from Unity Asset Store, which you can definitely check it out, the link is in the description. After that I make a map completely myself using the grid boxes, which you can download from the Unity Asset Store, the link is in the description below. And I'm not using this because of here's the end result of the map. You can see how's it looking now. And yeah, we can change it in future and also some minor upgrades. Okay, so now it's time to create networking for our game, network system. And I don't know how to make it, so I use this course to learn how to create online multiplayer games. You can definitely check it out and the link is in the description. I don't know why it's not working, and maybe it takes only 5 minutes to fix this. So finally I fixed the error now, and it not take 5 hours, it just fix in 5 minutes. And I think we also have to change our player, but not old one, maybe a new from any website. Yeah, this looking cool. So our game is finally complete and it's time to serve it. Yeah. FBI, open up! Oh, how I forget about sounds. Well, I don't know, but here's the problem. I don't know how to make sounds or any my friend. So we are using YouTube to find someone who can learn us how to make sounds for our game. After spending like 2 hours on YouTube, I realized, well, making sounds is more harder than making girlfriend in real life. So I'm gonna steal it. So this is how our game look like with some sound effects which I download from Unity Asset Store. The link is in the description. You can definitely check it out. And I also add skyboxes, I mean change skybox, because now it's looking more cooler than earlier. I also add some post-processing effects, and this is how it looked like. Girls with makeup and girls without makeup. Yeah, I don't know why you guys watching this video till here, but I appreciate that. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and in next devlog video we are gonna make a timer, also some superpowers like dash, updraft, or I don't know what, but yeah, we're gonna add something new, and also new maps, new skins, new characters, maybe some new animations, and much more. And hit that like button if you like the video, hit that dislike button if you don't, and please comment down. I will see you guys in my next video.